guys, hi, welcome to my Friday live. Today I'm showing you three fall wedding guest dresses. You want to stay and watch this because they're so cute, and we're going to talk about fall fashion. I can't believe we're already talking about fall, and there's Halloween stuff in the stores outside. Summer's almost going out of season and fall's coming into the season. So that's what we're talking about. But before we go any further, I want to know, where are you guys watching me from? I'm going live from my studio in California, and I want to know if you guys are watching me live. I love my live viewers, so just say live San Francisco, live San Diego, live New York. Or if you're watching me on replay, just say replay. I love my replay viewers. Just say replay Dubai, replay Dallas. No matter if you're watching it live or on replay, everybody's welcome. And I'm so glad you guys are here. Today I'm going to be showing you and talking about fall fashion and showing you three fall wedding guest dresses. So that's what's happening. And hey, if we haven't met before, hi, my name is Sandhya Garg. You may or may not remember me from Project Runway season 13, your favorite Tim Gunn and Heidi Klum fashion reality show. I think they've stopped doing it after 20th season. So yeah. After 20 seasons of successful Project Runway, there's no more Project Runway. So if you're having Project Runway nostalgia, or you are craving Project Runway because it is comfort TV, go watch season 13 and tell me how it was and how I did. It's a lot of fun, a lot of drama, a lot of good fashion. So I'm not going to give you any spoilers. And if you want to see what I'm up to after after 7 seasons, after 10 years of my show, go to my website www.sandhyagarg.com, sandhyagarg.com, and see. And if you love well made high quality dresses, do put your name in the website pop up. We do give a free dress every month, so enter to win and shop. If you like cheap bad quality dresses that are $30, this is not for you. If you like high quality, you appreciate good fashion, good fit, you like getting compliments and look stunning, you are in the right spot. So follow Sandhya Garg, label Sandhya Garg on Facebook. If you love Instagram, it's Sandhya Garg 11 on Instagram. I post fashion videos, fashion tips, advice, funny humor stuff, travel. So there's a lot in there. And hey, if you have a friend who loves Project Runway or loves fashion, do tag them in comments below. So just go at the rate and your friend's name, and Facebook is gonna show this video to them. Now let me post a poll, so I kind of know what you guys are doing. So did you RSVP yes to a fall event? Yes, no, the poll's active now, and I'm going to keep it active so the people, replay viewers, can also participate. So, don't forget to do that so I know what you guys are up to. And if you're, if you have a fashion advice, fashion tip, or fashion question, you are welcome to put them in comments below. I read all your comments, and I probably would make a video on it or respond to your comment. So don't be shy. Tell me all your burning fashion questions. I know a lot of times people ask me, hey, I'm 35, I'm 40, I'm not sure if I want to dress up anymore, or I'm not sure how to dress for my body anymore. All these questions, they're all relevant. Hey, I am 2XL in size, nothing looks good on me. What do you think I should wear? How should I dress up? All questions are relevant. You will be surprised how many people have same questions as you. So you are not, when you put a comment or a question down below, you're not only helping yourself but several other people. So do that. Don't be shy, come talk to me. I myself am wearing a size large in this gorgeous dress. I'm wearing Pia dress from my Villa collection. I'm gonna link the dress. It's gonna be showing, Facebook is gonna be showing it somewhere around here, and you need to tap to go see the dress in full. But this is the dress on me in size large. I am 5'4.5", so it kind of hits me 2 inches above my knee. I absolutely love the length of this dress. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous off shoulder dress. See that? Super cute. It's 100% cotton. I make my own prints, so everything you see here is custom. The print also has my signature, so you know you're getting a genuine Samyagar. Such a comfortable print, perfect for the fall weather, whether you're in East Coast or the West Coast. uh, the quality of the fabric is amazing. What really, really, is cute about this dress is this gorgeous oversized bow. Such a style statement. It's these two long tie-ups that I've made into a cute bow right here. And let me put it together. So all I did was I took my tie up right here, took the other part and upside down, just like you do with your ribbons, and here gift wrap yourself. It's such a cute, fun dress. I've worn this dress at so many parties. It's just wonderful, and I'm doing it with these cute earrings I got from Costa Rica, and some makeup and heels, and that's all you need to look stunning at a fall wedding. You could do it with a nice designer bag. Instantly take it a notch above. uh, and see how cute and stylish and effortlessly chic. So chic. I just absolutely love this dress. Let me show you the print. So the sleeves are these loose kind of bell sleeves, so very easy to wear. I can dance because weddings are about having fun, or even a party is about having fun. And the fabric breathes because it is 100% cotton. The print is a conversational print. It's got these cute Italian trees, cypress trees, and like an Italian Mediterranean garden feel with statues and stones. There's just so much detail, little birds in here. See how cute is that? Look at the details. Such a cute piece, one of a kind dress, easy, chic, just a perfect addition. You will be wearing this dress and getting compliments every time you wear it on. So that's Pia mini pink mini dress again. Such a cute dress. If you liked Pia pink mini dress, and if you know an occasion you would wear it, uh, dinner date, wedding, fall wedding, a dinner party, a beach party, tell me in comments below. And if you like the Pia mini dress, give me thumbs up down below in the emojis. Give me thumbs up, give me hit the like button. So that's dress number one for your fall wedding. And when you go to a fall wedding, let's talk fall fashion. US is huge, so the East Coast probably gets a proper fall where it gets colder, whereas West Coast, where I'm at, fall is probably shorter. You have to do dresses or clothing that's completely transitional, layers and things that kind of work. So this might be great now in August for an East Coast wedding, in September when the weather is crispy but not super, super cold. And this dress can be done even in October and November in the West Coast. So think like that. Like, cotton is such an evergreen fabric. So when you are buying a good quality dress, look at the fabric. The natural fabrics always look way better than the synthetic ones. And this dress is gonna, you know, even last you in the summer, because cotton you can do it in summer as well. So think about seasons and how you can combine, put together this dress. Like any shorter mini length dresses you can do with leggings, with in the cooler weather. And I can do it with this, with a pashmina, with a matching pashmina. And that's how you can style it. So some styling tips for you right there. Tell me your thoughts on how you would style a dress if it's a colder weather, or if it's warmer, how would you do that? I would love to see your take on on that. Uh, this is wardrobe malfunction. I've put this dress on my dummy like this so I can show you the details right here. Okay. What's happening? Not my day today. Okay, without further ado, let's do dress number 2. I'm gonna share the link. It is the Gia black maxi dress. It is one of my favorite dresses from this collection. Again, it's the La Villa print in this stunning fabric with black and gold leaves. Look how cute that is. It's an A-line dress. The neck absolutely sits beautifully in this cute little shape, and then you also have sleeves. Hey, who doesn't love a nice dress with sleeves? Look how the straps are completely adjustable in the back, so no loose straps hanging around, and the sleeves are a dream. There are these loose 70s vibes cute sleeves, and the shape, it kind of fits on your bust and your waist, and then it becomes this loose fit and flare A-line dress. If you are 5'4", below 5'5", it's going to be more like a long maxi dress. If you are 5'6", 5'7", it's going to be a midi length for you. So that is what I love about these long dresses, that they can kind of be midi or maxi length depending on how tall you are. But okay, don't fall on me. But look at how cute this fabric is. I can't even tell you how beautiful and stunning it is in person. Completely lined, fully lined dress, beautifully made with this cute lace detail right here. The lace has sequins in it, so really nice detail right here. Let me show you my signature uh, logo. All Sandhya dresses have this, and it's such a beautiful georgette fabric. Beautiful party dress. If you're already shopping for holiday season, this is a must-have holiday dress. So perfect for your Christmas dinners or Thanksgiving dinners, and absolutely beautiful for a fall wedding, a cocktail event. You know, think Gia maxi dress. I am featuring the link down here. So if you want to click and go check out this dress, do it with golden heels, black heels, beautiful earrings and makeup, and oh my god, you're gonna look so gorgeous in this dress. You're gonna feel and look amazing. So that's Gia maxi dress. If you like what you see, do give me a heart. Just heart the video so I know which one you like. Is it the Pia mini dress for a fall wedding? Is it the Gia maxi dress for a fall wedding? Or another one of my favorite dresses, let me feature it. So this is the Gatsby maxi dress. We started this dress in two colors, in tangerine orange and in a teal blue. People loved it so much, it was sold out. We had to restock it in more colors. So now, after I've been asked so many times, when are you going to do this dress in black? I'm finally out, and I'm selling out really fast of this dress. It's the Gatsby maxi dress in black color. I love this dress. Look at it. Look at how cute these pin tucks, these ruffles are. It's in 100% cotton poplin. The fabric has such amazing shine to it, and the back is so cute with its crisscross. It's it just goes like that, and it just falls and fits on the body like a glove. The dress also have pockets. I mean, how do you make a dress better? Add pockets. This is such a cute dress. I'm gonna just do like put it in my neck. I feel like a princess when I put it on, and like in a good way. I would just do it with cute heels and nice earrings, and that's all this needs. It's such a fun, easy dress. If it's a beach wedding, you can do a nice hat, sunglasses, and if it's a cocktail or a more formal event, you just kind of do cute heels and crystal earrings. So just accessorize to take the formality of the dress or your look up and down. The ruffle, the fall, it actually, this dress fits like a glove. no matter your body shape. I mean, I am not a model size person, but the dresses or the fit, the way they are cut and made, is what makes you look amazing and stand out. And that's what actually all these three dresses do, the way they are cut. I mean, look at this, such a fun dress, so stylish. You feel blah in regular dresses, and then some pieces come along that just do so much justice to your body and just hug and kind of accentuate your curves beautifully. So that's what these dresses do. I am featuring the Gatsby black maxi dress. We have these available in sizes extra small to sizes 3XL. And if there is something that you like, we can also custom make it in your size. Just give us 2 or 3 weeks advance notice. And I actually love women who love fashion and who love my clothing. And if you have any questions, just throw it at me. I'm more than happy to answer them. But a lot of times it's about the clothing on you and how it actually makes you feel. And the whole idea is that you should look amazing, feel confident. I know how my confidence changes when I'm wearing a sweatshirt or a like not so good top, compared to when I'm wearing this well made beautiful dress that's making me stand out in a crowd without screaming. I just look so chic. I feel so sexy, so confident. So that's what fashion and clothing does. It empowers you. So that's the whole idea behind designing all of this. So let me know your thoughts on a fall wedding that you may be going to, the theme of the wedding, and if there is a dress that I can recommend, an advice, a fashion tip I can give you, and which one of these is your favorite. Dress number one, the Pia pink mini dress. Dress number two, the Gia black maxi midi dress, or the Gatsby maxi dress. Tell me in comments below which one's your favorite, and join me again as we talk about Thanksgiving or fall fashion in my next Facebook Live. Thank you. Mwah. Thank you for joining. Bye.